What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I will be drawing Talonflame from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson all the way over on the left side of our page with the top edge of the beak. We're going to start on the outside. Let's curve this up and then down. Now from the outside on the left, bend the beak coming down and then in. Go to the top right and just taper that down towards a point. Let's tuck the bottom of the beak underneath. From this point, we're going to come around and pull that out. Let's add that trim across the top of the beak. From the outside, we're going to curve this up, then it's across, and then down. Now that we have the beak, let's draw the top edge of the eye. Halfway along this curve, we're going to go up, then the eye going out. Let's draw the bottom of the eye, coming down, and then back in towards the beak. Let's add a fold along the top of the brow, going up and out. Now we're going to tuck the eye in underneath that fold. Starting from the bottom, let's curve down, round this out, and just pull that up, leaving a gap. Just draw an angled line going up and out. Now you're going to draw two more half ovals along the inside. Just going to trace the inside of the eye, going around. And we'll do that one more time. Now let's go back to the outside of the beak and draw the top of the head. From this point, we're going to step down, curve the head going out, then that in. Just going to pull this up and then out towards a point. I'm going to bend this back in, aiming towards the eye, coming down towards the neck. Now from here, we're going to curve the back of the body. From the bottom of the neck, we're going to step up, bend this up, and then out towards the wing. Now from here, we're going to layer the wing on top of the body. So let's start from the body, come down and in, and then bend that back down. Let's go back up to the top, bend this up. Just going to round out the wing, go out, and then bend that all the way up towards the top of our page. Now we want to add a trim along the front of the wing. Let's start up here, just going to trace this out, coming all the way around, come down, in, and then bend that down. Let's bend this up towards the head, and bend that back down towards the neck. Now I'm going to add a little flame pattern along the bottom of the neck, going up, down, and then up. Tape this around, and then pull that down towards the bottom of the head. Now we want to go back up to the top and layer in the feathers. We're going to start from the top, let's round this out, come all the way around, down, and then bend that in. Let's add another feather. From the bottom, going out and then up, round out the feather, come down, and then again, just bending that in. Now these feathers are going to get smaller as you come back in towards the body. Let's start up here, bend this out, just tucking that in underneath, round this out, come down, and then in. Let's add another one, going out. Now you can see that we're starting to bend these in toward the top of the wing. Let's add a smaller one. We're getting smaller down along the bottom. And just add a couple more along the inside. Now you want to add a series of ovals going across the inside of the wing. Let's start from the bottom. Let's draw that first oval. Let's move up. And I'm just going to randomly place these ovals along the inside of the wing, going up towards the top. I'm just going to add a couple more. Now we want to layer the back wing in behind the body. Let's start from the top of the neck, bend this around and then out. Round out the wing, come up and in. I'm just going to bend this up towards the tip of the first feather. Let's round out the feather, come down and in. Just going to add another one, going out. And again, we're going to go smaller with these feathers as we come down towards the bottom. here we're just going to add a couple smaller ones, bending this out and in. Let's do that again. And then once more, just tucking that in behind. Now this top feather here, I'm just going to bend this in towards the bottom. Let's add that flame pattern. Going up, out, and then up, and then taper that back down. Let's add another point. Going up, and then down, and then once more going up towards the side of the wing, and then just tuck that in. Now we're going to go back to the front and draw the bottom edge of the body. Let's start underneath this flame, come down underneath the wing, go around, and then up towards the leg. Let's draw the front of the leg. We're going to step up underneath the wing, bend this out, and then down. And line up the top on the back side, bend the leg coming around, and then in. Let's add 2 points on the outside. And we'll add 2 more along the bottom, coming down and up, and we'll do that again. Now from this area, we're just going to bend the leg forward. From here, angle is down and forward, step back and draw them again. Let's add the first claw along the back, going out and then down, right out the toe, go up and then in. Now add 3 more toes along the outside, going out and then down, right out the toe, and just pull that back up. Let's do that 2 more times. Go around the outside. And then once more along the top. Just going to pull this up and then down towards the inside of the ankle. Now you want to add a sharp talon across the tip of each toe. So let's start with the top. I'm just going to give this a slight bend, coming in. And then from here, bend this in the opposite direction. Let's add that same oval pattern across the bottom of the body. And draw a couple half ovals on the front. And just tuck one underneath the wing. We'll add 1 more across the back. Let's add that same pattern across the leg. Add that half oval. Now the hind leg, we're going to point it down and back. Let's start up here, then it's down, go in behind, just continue in between. Let's add that half oval on either side. Now we're going to draw 2 lines coming down the side of the leg towards the ankle. And let's draw the first claw, going out and down, round this out, and just pull that back in. Let's bend the first toe, coming down. I'm just going to round out the toe, come around, and then just pull that up. And near the top of 2 more toes in behind. So I'm going to draw a curve going once, 1 more time going up towards the ankle. And we'll add the talons. Now we're going to finish off the back of the body. Let's continue this curve going all the way around towards the back of the wing. Then it's out and then down. And we'll add 2 points. Come down in a straight line, go back up, and do that 1 more time. Come down and up. Now this bottom curve, we're going to continue on the right side of the leg. It's going to overlap on top of the tail. Now there's 4 points on the end of the tail. Let's start from the top, bend this up, and then out. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to step in, bend this in, and then down. Let's curve these feathers in the opposite direction, coming in. And then we're going to add 2 larger feathers in the center. Let's start from the top, going out, and then bend that down towards the bottom of our page. Curve in the opposite direction, and pull that up. Let's do that 1 more time, starting from the outside, coming around and then out, go up toward the top point. And now we're going to add some stripes across the tail. From this top point, bend this down and then in, go back back up, go in the opposite direction. Now I want to draw that same curve 5 more times coming down towards the end. So we step down, do that once, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Add 5 curves. Now I'm going to finish off that detail by separating the top of the back. I'm going to start up here, bend this up, and then in. Now I'm going to draw a wave going back up towards the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Talonflame from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.